Hi guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be walking you through step by step on how to make money on Binance. And this have been what I have been doing, and it have been working for me. So I come here right now to show you how to do it also and get the same result from me. So without wasting much of your time, please, if this interests you the most, please do well to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up and share this video so that more people get to see this video and YouTube get to rank this video and share and make it visible to so many people. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So the first thing you have to do is to click on new listing, and you see that coin that is about to be listed on Binance. The AEVO coin is about to be listed on Binance. So you have to stake the coin. What you are doing right now is to stake the coin. You're either staking the coin with your BNB, or you are taking it with your FDUSD pool. Any of these coin, you can convert your money. You can just deposit money into Binance. If you don't know how to do it, I have a video that will show you how to deposit your money straight into Binance. So once you do that, then you use either your BNB or your FD and stake it. Either the road stake, you just hit on the stake and stake it. Right now I have a stake already. If you can see there, they are not showing stake because I stake with my this coin there. So I have staked that one now, and we're getting that coin every 1 hour. We're getting some little amount of the coin. It depends the amount you put there. The higher the money, the higher the gain, the higher the coins they will be releasing to you. And once the coin gets to market, please know that this one now is something higher than airdrop, because you are sure of cashing out immediately once the coin is listed. And most times this is called the Binance farming. Most times the farming can take 7 days, it can take 5 days. So once the farming is over, you get the coin, and the coin gets to the market. You can go to the market in $2, you can go to the market in $3, and imagine you are getting this coin 40 pieces depending on how much you deposit there. And imagine the kind of money you are getting. And after the farming is over, Binance get to return back the money you staked there. So you are losing nothing. So once it's every 1 hour, you just come and see where the road harvest oil. Just click on the harvest oil area and harvest the coins. That is how to do it, and you start making huge amount of money. Imagine when once the coin is in the market, as I've said before, and you are seeing the coin in $5 per one, and you have 40 pieces of that coin. This is a very great chance and update that everyone have to grab in this Binance space right now. It's a very good way to make money on Binance. You are not losing any money, you are not losing. In short, you are even earning in two. Once the coins, maybe you use your BNB, once the BNB is going higher, your money is increasing on BNB, and also you are getting more of the coins also. And for you to stake, it's very easy to stake and very fast to stake this coin. It's not something that is very hard. In the area, when you click on Earn, just click on Earn right now. Let's allow it to load up. It seems the network is bad. Okay, once you click on Earn, you will see so many, and there is so many ways also. You can also stake your BNB or USDT and start making money every hour. And it is withdrawable. Maybe you want to remove the money, now you don't want to stake again. These are other ways also, apart from you indulging in those upcoming coins that are about to be listed on Binance. So this is also another way that you can make it. You can search the coin you want to stake and see the gain. Maybe let us say, for example, maybe you are using USDT. Then once you just tap on that USDT, now this is for the second way to make this money. Now once you tap on USDT, now I don't have any USDT. I have a USDT right now. Either I click on maximum if you are using all, or you click on the amount you want to put stake, then you hit on that confirm. It will be staked, and every hour you'll be getting 17.72% of that money you staked. Imagine if you staked $1,000. Imagine if you take $100. Check the 17.72% maximum, and it's feasible. That means you can withdraw it anytime you need. So that is also a very good way to make money. If this interests you the most, please do well to subscribe to this channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share this video. Very important. That is the only way it gets to encourage me to create more and more helpful content. See you in my next video.